Hello there guys, Mark here. I hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you how to tie the mystic knot. Here is the knot up close. Considering how it looks, it is surprisingly easy to tie. The knot can work as a part of a necklace, as a charm, something like that. It is primarily a decorative knot. To practice the knot, I recommend the following supplies. Pins to pin down your knot while you're tying it. A surface to stick your pins into. And finally, a piece of cord 7 feet long. In my case, I'm using Paracord 550. Let's begin tying. To tie the knot, I'm going to take my cord and fold it in half. I'm going to be using a bit more of the left end, so you can work a bit more cord into the left end. So this way, the right end is a bit shorter, the left end a bit longer. So we now have a bight. Make a second bight with the right end, like this. So the bight is facing down. And another bight with the left end. Take the right end, fold it into a bight, and feed it under over, under over. So like this. And repeat for a second time, creating a bight, feeding it under over, under over. Take the left end, pass over 4 here at the top, then back under 4. Repeat for a second time through this bight. Over 4 and back under 4. Now pass under and through this opening, like this. Then over 3. So over this cord and over this bight, then under 1, and over 3. Turn back around, passing under 2, so under the top bight, over 1, under 3, like this. So under this cord and the bight, then over and under. Repeat this sequence here at this bight. So we start by going under, then over 3, so over this cord and this bight, then under 1, and over 3 here at the top. Pass back down under 2, so under the top bight, over 1, under 3, so under this cord and this bight, then over 1, under 1. The tying part is now complete. The tightening process is done gradually. You start at one end, you take some slack into the knot and remove it. Then you repeat a couple of more times until you tighten up the knot. Do it carefully and slowly, and you're going to do just fine. So my first pass of tightening removed about a foot of cord. I'm going to be removing at least a foot more, if not 2, until I tighten up the knot. So start at one of the ends and repeat again. Besides gradually tightening up, it is a good idea to have the final knot in mind. So as you can see, we have a number of outer cords or bights and a number of cords passing across the knot in a woven pattern. So to make this form, I'm going to be tightening these cords which travel across the knot by pulling them along their entire length. So here, then here, I pull them in a straight line. When I'm dealing with cords on the sides, what I'm going to do is make sure they are neatly rounded off. And again, when pulling on these cords, pull them from side to side to make them nice and straight. And again here, I'm trying to get a nicely rounded cord on the side. So guys, that's our knot. Don't feel too bad if you need to redo it a couple of times to learn the proper tightening process. Tightening is usually what makes or breaks decorative knots. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. See you next time.